Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about using lights for houseplants. So I have one here. It's just a simple kind of long one, and I'm going to be talking about how I set it up, where I use it, why I use it, if it's necessary, and I really hope this helps you with your houseplants. If you learned something new from this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. That will help other people find it and also helps out my channel. If you want more content like this that talks about houseplants, how to care for them, how to help them live longer, be sure to subscribe because I'm always coming out with content to help houseplant owners like yourself. And while we're setting this up, I just want to explain what I'm using this grow light for. I'm using it as a supplement to the natural light in my room. I've tried using just grow lights to grow a plant all on its own, and I haven't had much success, but I think they work really great as supplementing light. Most houseplants need at least 6 hours of sunlight, usually much more in the 12 to 14 hour range, so that's what I'm trying to do for them here. So here's a close-up view of the light just so you can get a better idea. There's a dual plug over here, and on the top it has a little movable little clip that you can loosen and move to where you need it. On the opposite side, as you'll see here in just a second, this side is supposed to be screwed securely into the ceiling or into a shelf. I've just kind of rigged it up because I needed something that I can take up and down, as you'll see in a moment, so that my boys aren't constantly playing with it because I do have children. It has a dual switch, which is really nice, so you can have a lower intensity or a brighter intensity if you need it. And it has LED lights at 5,000 kelvins, which you want a light that's between 4,000 to 6,000. And the wire here is just a little steel wire with a rubber coating, so it's pretty strong. So this is my little temporary setup for my light until I get to a space where I can screw it in. So right here, I'll be putting plants here that need the extra light, and I've just hidden a hook up in here, so that way it's not something that's just sitting on our wall. I will bring the light out when it's needed. That way I can hide it from my boys who are still toddler age, and I know that they're going to want to play with it. So I made this so I can just take it off and put it up each night for my plants who are needing that extra sun or who I'm wanting to grow faster. So far, it is a pretty great setup, and I'm hoping that the plants who are placed under here each night will really appreciate it. So here's the final setup that I have here for now. If you look closely at this light, you will see red and blue lights in there. That is just because that is the color of light that plants absorb the best. I've placed my alocasia down here below it because it is getting rather leggy because it's needing more sun, and so I'm kind of wanting to help it grow in a better way, so I've placed a supplemental light over it for now. And overall, since I haven't mentioned this already, I would recommend this light. I've been using it for weeks now and it's been great. That does it for today's video. I hope this was helpful to you guys. Again, if it was, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you'd like. Thanks for watching.